The Hemopathy platform. Subscribe for more update summary of Magnesia muriatica. Introduction. Magnesia muriatic medicine not only cures liver diseases but also relieves constipation. If there is any kind of disease in the liver and along with it there is pain in the stomach and the effect of pain is spreading from the spine to the digestive system and the pain increases after eating food, then to cure such symptoms, Magnesia muriatic medicine should be used. There is a wound on the nostril of the nose. One gets cold and cough. The nose gets clogged and along with it watery fluid flows from the nose and this fluid is tasteless and odorless. The patient suffering from this type of symptoms is unable to lie down and is forced to breathe through the mouth. To cure the symptoms of such a patient, it is beneficial to use Magnesia muriatic medicine. Magnesia muriatic medicine is useful to cure the diseases of women. If women suffer from loss of appetite and there is uterus disease along with it, then use of Magnesia muriatic medicine is beneficial to cure the symptoms of those diseases. Blisters appear on the lips of the patient and the gums become swollen and they also start bleeding, the tongue feels burnt and the throat remains dry, and with the occurrence of these symptoms the patient becomes hoarse. To cure such symptoms, Magnesia muriatic medicine should be used. Magnesia muriatic medicine is useful in curing the diseases of patients suffering from the following symptoms. Symptoms related to nose. There is a wound on the nostril of the patient and along with it there is cold and cough. Sometimes the nose gets blocked, water is coming out from the nose, smell cannot be identified. If the patient is not able to recognize the taste, if he is not able to sleep due to cold, if he is breathing through the mouth due to difficulty in breathing, then Magnesia muriatic medicine can be used to cure the disease of such a patient. Use is beneficial. Symptoms related to the mouth. The patient has blisters on his lips, swollen gums, bleeding from them, burning and scorching of the tongue, and along with these symptoms, the throat is dry and hoarse. To cure the disease of the patient suffering from symptoms due to which the patient is having difficulty in speaking, use Magnesia muriatic medicine. Symptoms related to the stomach, loss of appetite, bad taste on the tongue, belching like rotten eggs, and continuous white foam forming from the mouth, milk not being digested and feeling of pressure in the stomach. Along with this comes urination. If a person has any of these types of symptoms, then Magnesia muriatic medicine should be used to cure his disease. Stomach-related symptoms. The patient experiences pain due to pressure in the liver and sometimes the liver gets enlarged due to which the stomach becomes swollen and the tongue turns yellow. Hernia disease in the testicles. To cure the disease of a patient suffering from such symptoms, it is beneficial to use Magnesia muriatic medicine. Symptoms related to urine. The patient has difficulty in urinating and along with this he feels pressure and pain in the bladder. Use of Magnesia muriatic medicine is beneficial to cure the symptoms of a patient suffering from this type of symptoms. Symptoms related to intestines. Small children suffer from constipation, diarrhea at the time of teething, and sometimes the child passes stools which are lumpy and like sheep's dung. Sometimes when the child passes stools, the stool after reaching the anus, it breaks and comes out, and along with this, the child experiences pain and burning sensation, sometimes even bleeding starts from the anus. To cure the disease of a child suffering from such symptoms, it is appropriate to use Magnesia muriatic medicine. Symptoms related to women. During menstruation, black clotted blood flows from the vagina of the patient, there is severe pain in the waist and shoulders and more bleeding occurs from the vagina at night. During menstruation, when a female patient defecates or does any difficult work, bleeding starts from the vagina. Ringworm on the eyelids and shrinkage on the face and forehead occur more frequently during menstruation and before the onset of menstruation. If a female patient has any of these symptoms, then magnesia muriatic medicine should be used to cure her disease. Symptoms related to heart: when the patient remains sitting, he has pain in his heart and heart rate becomes irregular. When the diseased person moves, he gets some relief due to this type of disease in the heart. The liver begins to enlarge. Use of magnesia muriatic medicine is beneficial to cure the symptoms of the patient suffering from this type of symptoms. Symptoms related to respiratory system: the patient develops dry cough. The symptoms of the disease increase at night, and along with this there is also burning sensation and pain in the chest. Use of magnesia muriatic medicine is beneficial to cure the symptoms of a patient suffering from this type of symptoms. Symptoms related to external parts of the body: the patient has pain in the back and buttocks, and along with this, there is pain in the arms and legs too. When the patient wakes up at 1 o'clock in the night, his legs become numb. Use of magnesia muriatic medicine is beneficial to cure the symptoms of the patient suffering from this type of symptoms. The patient suffering from this type of symptoms sweats excessively from the head. There is pain in the facial nerves. There is mild pain in cold weather, and the symptoms of the disease increase in strong windy weather. The patient gets relief by applying it. Symptoms related to sleep: the patient feels more sleepy during the day and also sleeps more at night and also sees scary dreams. Along with having such symptoms, the patient also has liver-related diseases or uterine cancer in women. If there is any disease related to diabetes, then magnesia muriatic medicine should be used to cure such patient's disease. Blisters appear on the lips of the patient, and the gums get swollen and they start bleeding. The tongue feels burnt and the throat remains dry, and with the occurrence of these symptoms, the patient suffers from hoarseness and difficulty in sleeping. More comes. To cure such symptoms, magnesia muriatic medicine should be used. Symptoms related to leukorrhea: if white water is flowing from the vagina for 3 or 4 days to weeks after the start of menstruation of a woman, or white water is coming out from the vagina during defecation, then it is necessary to treat such a woman patient. For this, using magnesia muriatic medicine is beneficial. Symptoms related to constipation: use of magnesia muriatic medicine is beneficial to cure the disease of a patient suffering from constipation. But such a patient should also have some such symptoms, which are as follows. Whenever the patient passes stool, the stool is like a hard lump and the patient has a lot of difficulty in passing stool. The stool is not completed in one go, it is in pieces. Relation: in case of children's disease, magnesia muriatic medicine can be used along with chamomilla medicine. Aggravation: lying on the right side, doing mental exertion, and sitting in a hot room increase the symptoms of the disease. Mitigation, amelioration: by pressing the diseased part hard and staying in open air, the symptoms of the disease start disappearing. Dosage: the mother liquor of magnesia muriatic medicine, 30 to 200 potency, should be used to cure the symptoms of the disease. Ratio of 1/4 minute.